Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to charge your portronics Toad 1 mouse. Okay, you can see here it is portronics Toad 1 and you can see there is a port USB-C. Just connect your Type-C charger and it will be charged. Okay, just like this, just connected, then you can see here there is light is blinking blue color, and this device get fully charged, this blue color turn into green, and there is no other signals bottom of the mouse you can see here. And that's guys, in this way you can simply charge your portronics Toad 1 mouse, and it is very good mouse. You can connect multiple Bluetooth devices, and also you can connect with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Whenever you connecting 2.4 gigahertz, you must connect this dongle to your device. Okay, and that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.